Hi guys, and welcome to today's intraday trade analysis video for the day. So today I have traded on Kajaria ceramics and it was a short sell trade. Okay. So today the market is up by 1.64% up, and this is how the market has performed for the day. So as you guys can clearly see, the market was bullish for the day, and lot of the stocks and lot of the indices have moved in a upwards direction for the day. So we'll be talking about all of these things. But even though if the market has gone up today, my trade was on a short sell, and the stock what I traded today, that is Kajaria ceramics, has come down throughout the day even if the market has gone up. This is because if you select the right stock and if you decide whether to go on a buying side or a selling side, depending on the good strategy, you can make good trades like this. So I'll be explaining you my today's trade and lot of other things in this video, so watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Okay. And before that, if you guys want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And also once you join my course, you get everyday live market personal support as well. And the course prices are very reasonably priced. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. So, by being said that, now let me talk about today's trade what I have done. So today, I have short sold Kajaria ceramics around 1286. And also, according to my strategy, we have traded without any indicators. If at all, if this stock would have gone above 1306 level, then it would have been a buy trade. Okay, but as you guys can see, it has not crossed this 1306 for a buying side. Okay, but it has crossed below 1286, which was a selling side according to my study and the strategy. And once this level crossed, I've taken a sell entry, and you guys can see here the maximum low what it has made for the day is 1266. Okay, so I kept my target and stop loss up to 7 to 8 points, and I've booked my target here. Okay, and of course it has moved more than 20 points as you guys can see here, but I always follow my target and stop loss, and I follow my trade discipline, and I was able to book a decent amount of profit today. Okay, so this is my strategy and this is how it has worked today. Okay, so even though if the market has gone up, our stock has performed in a short selling side as you guys can see here. Okay, so even though if the market is up, there are some time where the stock will be down, and there are some stock which will be up and it will be opposite towards the market trend as well. So today, as you guys can see, the market has gone up by 1.64% up, and this was a closing time. It was almost gone up to 370 points up today. And you can see here Nifty 50 top gaining stocks were Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, M&M, HM Motor, Axis Bank. So all these top 5 stocks are closed above 3% up. And also there are top loser stocks which have closed below 2%. You can see here Sun Pharma, Power Grid, Hindalco, Coal India and NTPC. So the thing what you need to understand here is that even though the market is up, there will be a top loser. Even though if the market is down, there will be a top gainer. So in intraday, you need to focus on the correct stock selection, and you need to just decide that correct momentum and that correct direction. So for all of the things, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and join us, and I'll be guiding you all of those things to make a correct stock selection, and also the live market guidance. The trades like this I'll be guiding you once you join us. Okay, so this is the trade what I have done today and it has performed well. So let's see how the market had opened for the day. The opening was bit in upper side as well, like not much, only 16 points up. I can tell it is almost flattish opening. Just advanced stocks were 34, declines are 13, and unchanged is 3. So this was the opening momentum what I'm telling you. So by this we can't decide the whole day momentum. It was just an opening momentum. How it was, I'm just telling you. So now let's see how the indices have been performed for the day. So if you go to indices, we can see that all the indices are most closed in a green section, and the most gain important indices for the day will be around Nifty Auto, which is 2.25% up, and Nifty Bank with 2.06% up. Two indices which closed in a declining way, that is Nifty Pharma with minus 0.52% down, Nifty Healthcare with minus 0.79% down, and also Nifty Mid Small Healthcare minus 0.68% down. So if you guys can see here, pharma sectors, that is healthcare sectors, have been in a declining way for the day. Okay, so this is the overall Nifty performance for the day, and this is the main indices overview for the day. So I hope you guys like this video and it was educational for you. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.